Jeremy Mendoza and Jericho Kumiya.
Yung flash ko yung pinarara mo sa mga
Jump ball between Paloma and
Sa'yo ko ng flash na cellphone.
go for 2, jersey number 10.
Kita na cellphone, ilaw.
Yung plus ng cellphone daw, pakisuyo naman po. Jersey number 47 to jersey number 15. It's a jump ball. Same ball. Hmm? 10 seconds and a shot clock.
Bumala!
Jersey number 14. Militao.
Hey!
47 to jersey number 24.
Wala! Ball man!
Good for 2. Jersey number 24.
Baba!
Jersey number 29. Good for 2. Last 15 to shoot.
Fine! Yan! Kapain mo na agad, man!
Good for 3. Jersey number 24. Pass.
Check mo, Nick!
Change position.
Bila! Sulbul man!
Jersey number 24. Good for 2.
Kanya lahat? Huwag kang tutukod! Huwag kang tutukod!
Score. Deadlock. 7.
Nice D! Nice one, Kurt! Wala, pisan! Nakabangga po eh.
Change position.
Pinasa.
Nico. Nasa na kayo? And Louie.
Huwag na!
Change position. Substitution rep. Dalog out. Inog in. Substitution rep. Solis out. Morales in.
Man, kabila ka naman.
Jersey number 47. Rebound.
Fire na!
To jersey number 24.
Check, check!
It's
Check, check, check! Bola.
Bola. Tara, nahan pa yung referee. Itatanong ko.
Nasa gabo na ito.
Uy, huwag kang sasagad muna ng takbo.
Ha? Bakit ba?
Gago ka. Ibaw ng pabango dyan sa sasakyan. Spread mo.
Same ball.
Palit.
Isa cut.
Nico and Louie. Sabay by jersey number 9, jersey number 14.
Nice, D. Nice.
It's a same ball.
Ah, uy. Ulo. Yun. Kinari.
Oh, change position.
Challenge tayo.
Bola.
Makakagamit agad ng challenge.
Cart box.
Perez. Dribbling.
Ako nga.
Looking for his teammate. Jersey number 47.
I-check. May shot. Baro sa maliit.
It's a best throw pass.
Mga shot lock.
Franzen Manalo, pass to Perez. Now jersey number 15, Hernandez. Inside pass. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound Marjan Pelonia. Militar to Darwin Morales. And there's the whistle. On jersey number 47, Franzen Manalo.
Basta mo na si
Substitution. Cornejo out.
Yun.
To be replaced by Umandap. Franzen Manalo, you committed first personal foul. First team foul. Two chances on the free throw line.
pangit yun.
Tayo si Kapitanay, tsaka si Kapsiralan. Ay, yung mga nakain doon, basta ako. Ay, kaya ano siya pa?
Jump!
Loose ball. Ay, one foul pa.
And there's a missile.
Sila na ako nang gumalaw.
Dat nga, violation na yun.
Substitute free throw.
Kurt! Thrower! Kurt! Thrower! Set na. Bola Kurt! Likod! Okay, baba na!
Ay, walang foul yun.
Rebound by Marjan Pelonia. Pass to Militar.
Baba!
Now jersey number 29. Good for two. Solis. On the rebound, Umanda. Angeles wide open. Substitution. Hernandez out to be replaced by Johnnyville Solis.
Bola ulit. Sa Bulacan yun, enable ko yun.
On the rebound, Militar. Pass to Marjan Pelonia. Now jersey number 29, back to Pelonia under the basket. Same ball possession, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Inbounding on the baseline, Darwin Morales. Receive the ball by Militar, 5 to shoot.
Aba, Jok! Kanila pa din.
Rebound by Morales, pass to number 0. Now Marjan Pelonia, basket count. Foul on the basket, jersey number 8. Angeles out. To be replaced, jersey number 07.
Kunin niyo yung bola.
Jungle Solis, you committed first personal foul, second team foul.
Palagod si Tek. Nakapasok lang.
Aggressive.
Bonus free throw for Marjan Colonia. He's not just away by Darwin Morales. Pass to Solis. Morales from perimeter. Panganiban for the rebound. Beyond the arc. Perez, no bid. Same ball possession.
Time out, time out, time out.
Timeout, Team Bulacan. 8 seconds on the game clock.
Surprise!
Foul!
Umantap and there's a whistle.
Dalawa kayo, Mek.
Yun lang, hindi sure bulto preto.
Foul on the act of shooting, jersey number 00. Ino, first personal foul, first team foul.
Shot mo. Kahit isa lang.
Umantap, first free throw is out of the basket.
Laksan mo konti kayo, Mek.
And for the second attempt,
Kapos!
rebound by Marjan Pelonia. Franzen Manalo lays it up. Panganiban from putback. Good for two.
Kumakala dyo! Sol lang muna, konti kayo, kapal!
Rebound number 6, Umantap.
Lah,
Bigyan mo na!
3 minutes and 35 on the game clock. Franzen Manalo. Pass to his teammate. Good for two. Perez.
Ayaw, Mek, huwag kang pangat!
tumamog siya magbaba.
Dribbling the ball, Militar. Solis back to Militar from downtown. Rebound by jersey number 9, Marjan Pelonia. Too strong. Solis number 29, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 29, Solis to Inog. Now jersey number 7.
O ano, pain! Bit ka! Bit ka!
Panganiban, pass to Franzen Manalo.
Anting!
Sayang.
And foul on the act of shooting.
Jump, jump, jump! Jump!
Jersey number 24, substitution. Militar out. Inog out. Number 24, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 chances on the free throw line for Jadwil Solis.
Bala kayo, Mek! Kapal!
Two free throws, basket.
Gusto kasi umi maglaro.
Paul Solis on the dribble.
Huli!
Pass to Jomari Hiraw. Hiraw again, it's rejected. Now Marjan Filania. Darwin Morales from putback. Good for two. Now Franzen Manalo. It's a traveling violation.
Paano naging travel yun?
Side inbound!
Panoodin natin mamaya.
Paul Solis setting the play. Now Darwin Morales to Marjan Pelonia. Rebound number 29. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Solis number 29. Good for two.
Kumuha na isang tao pagtatalon! Joke!
Panganiban number 7. Pass to Umandap. Setting the play. 10 to shoot. Jungle Solis. Shot is no good. Umandap. Good for two from the offensive rebound.
Kumuha na isang tao pagtatalon! Lahat kayo natalon eh!
1 minute and 20 seconds on the game clock. Number 29, Solis. Good for 2.
Lagalag.
Red, travel yun.
Out of bound. Change ball possession.
Take takbo.
Joke! Ayun.
Oh, dog.
Ball Solis. Good for 2.
Wala!
Now, Franz and Manalo.
Tayo muna. Meron akong gamot.
Set the swing by Omandap. Illegal use of pick.
Sino?
Jersey number 6, Omandap. You committed.
Sub.
First personal foul. 3-team foul. Substitution. Omandap out. To be replaced by Angeles.
Huwag ka na mag-init ka mo na. Kaya atin.
Out of bound. Team Bulakin. Ball possession.
Ransen, sa'yo na.
43 seconds remaining time.
Gawa ka na ng play mo. Screen. Fire!
Perez number 24.
Nice. Kaya niya.
And there's a whistle.
Ayun na, nag-extend.
Foul on jersey number 24. Darwin Morales. Second personal foul. 3-team foul.
Wag na. Pero dyan, hindi na sa kabila.
2 free throws will be given to Perez.
Smoke!
Usap na lang kayo sa lalim.
Takay pa, atake mo yung 24. Manipik.
Rebound by Hiraw. Paul Solis dribbling. Number 29 to Hiraw to perimeter. Darwin Morales, good for 2. 15 seconds on the game clock. John Solis rejected by Vilonia.
Joke, tumala ka, Joke!
Last 11 seconds remaining.
Last shot, Ransen, nulog. Man, pwesto na.
Bola.
Sa'yo na, 11.
Kamayo!
Last 10 seconds.
Yari.
Bronson Manalo 3.
Wala na!